Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to make this delicious potato and peas curry. So for the full recipe, go in the description box below. Here I've got one onion and I'm frying it in the oil. I've added potatoes. Just going to break it down. Here I've got a few spices, 1 tablespoon of tomato puree, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri lal mirch and red chilli. I've got turmeric and kitchen king masala, or you can use like garam masala. I've got some ginger powder. Here I've added the tomato puree. Just gonna add all the dry ingredients and then mix it very well. Here I'm adding the peas. At this point I'm adding coconut milk, but if you don't have any coconut milk then you can use yogurt. And then mix it well. I've added garam masala for taste. It's additional, I'm adding salt for taste. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video. We'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to share my videos and like my video. And for the full recipe, go in the description box below. Till then, we'll see you next time. Bye!